And here is a demo of my latest project, the Weird Sound Generator. First, a quick run of what I've got on this thing. I've got four 1 meg ohm potentiometers, all that I picked up from Axeman. They just have a RCA jack in the back of them. I don't know what they were used for prior to this, but they're pretty fucking awesome. Over here, we just got the breadboard with the circuitry laid out, running off of a simple 9-volt battery. And running over to just a little tiny mini amp. So let's give you a little example of what kind of damage this thing can do. And there you have it, the Weird Sound Generator.